Welcome to a couple of bunkies! We went outside and saw how beautiful of a day it was and thought about getting our bicycles out to ride. But alas, our bicycles were in disarray.
So down to the shop we go to get them fixed.
So my current bicycle had a blowout last summer.
The inner tubes in the tires were getting very old, so we needed to replace them.
I also wanted to change out the rear tread. I started off by taking off the front tire and removing the inner tube.
Look at that blowout.
So I prepared the new tire.
Of course, the Bunky Cat had to be there to oversee all of the operation.
Meow, Bunky Cat here. Please subscribe to our channel, check out our content and give us a thumbs up. Also, check out our social media pages in the link in the description below.
Normally it's a little easier to put in the tire inner tube when it has a little bit of air in it.
This is a European style inner tube, so you can simply blow in it and it will stay inflated for a short period of time.
After partially inflating it, I insert it into the tire. I initially made a mistake on the front tire. It would be a lot easier to put the stem in first and then put the tubing in later. After installing the American adapter, inflate the tire to make sure it holds the pressure it needs. Your pressure requirements will be written on the side of the tire. Now before installing the tire onto the bicycle, you're going to need to let out pressure from the tire. Either that or some bikes have the ability to undo the brake part, so then you can easily slip in a fully inflated tire. And I refill the tire to the correct pressure.
Now it's time to work on the second tire. Although second tire is a little bit more complicated than the front due to the gearing.
So this is basically the same process as I did with the front tire, for the exception of replacing the damaged treading. This time I inserted the valve stem first.
Once the inner tube is completely inserted, it's time for the pressure test.
This ensures that the inner tube will hold the pressure required.
Now it's time to focus on the rear derailleur, cassette, and the chain pad.
The chain runs from the front cassette to the rear cassette to the derailleur and up and over back to the front cassette. So I place the wheel on, line it up, and I go ahead and give it a couple cranks in order to make sure that it doesn't rub on the brakes.
We tried to shift the gears and make sure the derailleur worked. Oiled everything along with the chain. Checked the air pressure in the tires.
Made sure the brakes worked, and then we were on the road.
If you enjoy our content, comment down below, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
We really appreciate everybody that stops in and watches our videos.
Because we appreciate you guys so much,
we are doing a Mother's Day sale on our Etsy store. The discount code is in the description below.
please enjoy the ride.